Hey everybody, great morning. This is the Glyphosate guy, Danny Zen, coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere. Listen up, first off, thank you in advance to Mike Adams and his team at Brighteon for approving this video. Since there are so many people that are struggling with their health and they don't know where to look for the root cause, their doctors ordered these tests, put them on this medication, this supplement, but they've never even tested their patient for glyphosate, the active ingredient in the Roundup herbicide, okay? I want to make sure that I make an impact before I take my last breath. I want to be help increase the awareness of the world's most heavily sprayed herbicide, weed killer on the planet, okay? It is an absolute health crisis, and I definitely bet my life on it that it's a major, if not at least a minor, contributing factor for a lot of people's ailments, okay? Ranging from autism to leaky gut, okay? Dementia, cancers, diabetes, obesity, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, kidney disease, depression, anxiety, autoimmune disorder, so on and so forth, okay? Learn more by visiting the links in the description below this video, or go to tinyurl.com/whatisroundup. That'll give you access to a document on Google Drive titled Glyphosate 101, okay? Again, that's tinyurl.com/whatisroundup, okay? So you can wake up the next morning and see another beautiful sunrise like this, okay? Also, since it's early Valentine's, why not give the gift of glyphosate residue-free certified foods, brands, and companies by going to my glyphosate testing, exposure prevention, and detoxing game plan e-guide. It'll contain a list of these glyphosate residue-free certified products as according to the detoxproject.org, okay? Just go to tinyurl.com/detoxingroundup and you'll get access to that, okay? That's tinyurl.com/detoxingroundup, okay? And most importantly, if you suspect your health issues caused by glyphosate, whether or not you should actually get it tested, just so you know where you are as a baseline level before you start detoxing from it, okay? You can order it using my Detox Project affiliate link. Just go to tinyurl.com/test4roundup, and that's all letters. tinyurl.com/testforroundup, okay? I'll also have it in the description below this video. If you do place an order with that affiliate link, please forward me a copy of your order confirmation email so I can make sure your test kit ships out in a timely manner, okay? Just send that on over to, send it to HowToDieOfNothing@gmail.com, all letters, HowToDieOfNothing@gmail.com, okay? And also, lastly, as I mentioned in yesterday's video about meal plan, vitamin D is not being activated because the glyphosate suppresses an enzyme called the CYP, so that's preventing you from activating vitamin D even if you're getting a ton of sun like me, okay? So you gotta have to get rid of glyphosate, and then if you're in higher latitudes, and especially since it's winter time, you definitely want to learn about something that is better than any vitamin D supplement. Again, this is something better than any vitamin D supplement that you take in internally, and it is with an external vitamin D sun lamp made by Sperti.com. That's been around for over 90 years, okay? They started in 1933. Learn more by visiting go to linktree/vitamin D for dummies, okay? That's L as in Lima, INKTR.ee/vitamin D FORDUMMIES, or go to my Sperti affiliate link. You'll save 10%. And this might be paid for by your health insurance company if you're diagnosed by a licensed healthcare professional for vitamin D deficiency, okay? Just go to tinyurl.com/better than any vitamin D pill, okay? To save 10%. Again, that's tinyurl.com/better than any vitamin D pill. Or simply apply my 10% code Danny, D-A-N-N-Y, when you check out at Sperti.com. That's spelled S as in Sam, P as in Peter, E Echo, R Romeo, T Tango, I Israel.com, okay? And also, again, be sure to forward me a copy of your order confirmation email. I recommend their at least the vitamin D Sperti sun lamp with the home test kit for vitamin D, okay? And if you want to get a tan, you can also get their Fiji sun lamp, which has a higher proportion of UVA in their bulbs compared to the Sperti vitamin D sun lamp, okay? The Sperti sun lamps, or the bulbs, is 80% UVB rays and 20% UVA. For the Fiji sun tanning, lamp, that is, I believe it's 75% UVA, maybe 25% UVB, okay? Anyways, I hope that helps you guys out so you can have a strong immune system and shore up the deficiencies caused by glyphosate regarding vitamin D. And if you have questions, you can leave me a voicemail at my landline number at 786-441-2727, okay? That's my landline, 786-441-2727. And to share this video channel with others, just give them whatisroundup.com is currently redirecting to this channel, okay? Again, whatisroundup.com. Anyways, take care and make it a peaceful, productive Saturday.